Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you how to migrate or backup all the VS Code settings, including all the extension settings that you use in VS Code, how to import and export all this. So I will show you in this tutorial. So first of all, click on the settings icon and go to the settings right here, or go to this profile. This is actually the profile section you want to go to. Simply go to it and select the total number of profiles that you create inside VS Code. So this is my default profile here. So right here need to click on these three dots which are showing right here. Simply click on that and then we have this option of export. So what this option of export will do, it will export all the settings extensions that you are using inside your VS Code, all the themes. It will export them into a single file. So here you just need to name the profile here. So I will just confirm the, so you just need to enter the same name here, which is the default, and press enter. And now it is asking you whether it needs to push this into a GitHub repository or a local file. You need to select the second option right here, which is we need to export this to a local file inside the computer. So now it will ask the location where you need to save it. So simply save it wherever you need to save it and click on save. And then all your profile data, such as your extensions, theme information, settings, are exported to this file. And now if you want to import this file, it's very easy. Now if you are creating a brand new profile, or if you are installing a new version of VS Code and installing it for the very first time, then you simply have this option of import profile. So now you just need to click this option, and now we need to click on this select file button, and here you need to locate the file here. So this is actually our file which was created earlier. We actually exported this profile. Now we are importing it. As soon as we import it, you will see it will export all the settings, keyboard shortcuts, snippets, extensions, all the settings that you previously exported. And now you can give it a name right here. So I will say custom profile. And once you do this, click on, you just need to say custom profile 2 and then click on create. So this will create the profile and it will install the same extensions that is there inside this profile. It is having the same settings here. You can see it is doing everything as it is. So this is the way by which you can create backup or migrate your VS Code settings from one profile to another profile. So if for some reason, if you are unable to work in a certain profile, you can create or backup your settings in this easy way. So thank you very much for watching this video. Please hit that like button, subscribe the channel, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.